How I make $900 a day as a busy mom, no tech skills, no big following, and no creating anything from scratch. Here's my exact step-by-step system. If you're new here, I'm Charlene. I'm a mom of three. For 20 years, I've been in dentistry and my husband has worked in construction. We were always exhausted, living paycheck to paycheck, missing bedtime stories, even school events. I tried all kinds of side hustles out there and I even built digital products from scratch. They all flopped. I was ready to give up. And then I found this blueprint, a done for you digital marketing program with master resale rights. Think of it like moving into a finished home. The foundation's done, the walls are up, and you just have to add your personal touches. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from Ashley. After 17 years in the same job, struggling paycheck to paycheck, she plugged into this blueprint and everything completely changed for her. She's finally able to be a present mom while building a business that gives her time and financial freedom. Here's her story.
I'm the mom that's always had a side hustle. I am also that mom that said I could never make money on the internet. I could never make that kind of money. But here I am, making in 3 months more than my yearly salary at the 9 to 5 that I've had for 17 years. You can do it, okay? I did it without a following. I did it without a mentor because I plugged into this community and followed it step by step. The income and the change that has brought to my life in these few short months, I desperately want that for you. Oh my goodness. If nothing changes, nothing changes.
My first real proof, I was barbecuing dinner when my phone went off. And there it was, a $900 sale. And then again at my son's soccer game, a $900 sale. The system made the sale, sent the emails, delivered the product, all while I was living life. And that's when it hit me. I didn't have to choose between being a present mom and building a business. Let's break down the math. This blueprint can sell from $100 up to $900, with $900 being our most popular product. And one sale a day equals $900. So here's the 3-step system. Step number 1, pick your people. Don't talk to everybody. Talk to someone specific. I focus on tired moms who want more time and more financial freedom. And when I got specific, people started saying, it's like you're reading my mind. Step number 2, setting up your store. With the blueprint, the products are already created for you. You also get a pre-built website, and all you have to do is go in and change the colors to match your branding. And then everything is connected into system.io. So once I had that set up, it felt like mine, and everything runs on autopilot. Step number 3, let it work for you. Once it's all set up, every lead, every email, and every payment is automated. No chasing people, no late night DM. It works 24/7 while you are living life. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing, but let's hear how this blueprint has changed this mom and teacher's life.
My name's Melissa, and I am a 44-year-old mom, and I am also an educator. As you guys know, education does not pay. It's more that you love doing it because you love working with kids. We've been able to, get our bills paid, but it's never more than that. We would get our savings and then it was gone, because the washer would break down or the car will break down, things would break down. We lived paycheck to paycheck. And a while back when my kids were little, I also did start dabbling in, multi-level marketing because I was like, if I can just get a little extra income in, that would be helpful. And so this beginning of this year, really a big thing hit us financially. And we've been able to live paycheck to paycheck, but I was at a breaking point, okay? And my husband and I looked at each other and we were like, we're going to have to get a second or third job, or we're going to have to sell our dream home. And that moment was just like so devastating because we have worked so hard, both of us, our whole lives. And it just felt like things could just never go the way we wanted it, right? I always feel like doors open in the most unexpected ways. One of my friends was talking about this business opportunity. I'm able to pay for this, and I was able to pay, and she was like, a $900 ding, and then another $900 ding. So when I reached out to her, I'm a teacher, so I research everything right away. Oh, that sounds too good to be true. I was still curious, and I watched her for 2 months. I got to see what she's doing. Finally, it is when she said that she had, with this program, made $18,000 and it was in 5 weeks. I was like, why can't that be me? Like, that would pay my property tax. That would completely change our financial situation. And I was like, I need to take a chance. I need to just do something for my family. My husband always shakes his head at me because I've done so many things over the last 12 years. I was like, I did not have the funds to do this. I'm either going to stay in the same situation and still cry myself to sleep every night, or I'm going to do something about it. I did not want to take more time away from my family. I'm going to jump in and I'm going to do this. And it was absolutely, hands down, the best decision I have made for my family. I launched June 26th and I had my first sale. Oh my gosh, I just got my investment back, like that. And you guys, today is my 5 months into the program, and I have tripled my income as a teacher. That's 3 years of annual salary through my full-time job that I was working 40 hours a week or more. This is amazing, you guys.
Pause right here. What would you do with an extra $900 a day, a week, or even this month? Go ahead and comment down below. A year ago, I was exhausted and ready to quit. What I needed wasn't another complicated side hustle. It was a proven system that's giving me my time back. This blueprint and program is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a shortcut that skips all the hardest parts of building an online business. If you're ready to stop trading your time for money and want to see exactly how this works, the link to the free blueprint is down below in the description. And if you want to see how to make 10K in your first 30 days, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch this video next. It's going to explain everything to you. I'll see you in the next one.